maybe have some few words for the birthday celebration. Right. Maybe have some few words for the bride. Okay, so yeah. What is your birthday wish for mom? Come on.
I wish you.
Yeah. Oh, baby, at the back. At the back.
I wish you.
Oh,
I wish you all the best. And Papa loves you.
Whoa. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is your time to tell what's in your heart to your mind.
Still. Here.
And what do you want to hear? I love you like that. Kiss again. One more kiss. Okay, so maybe call some friends who can give some well wishes to our dear Nita. Miss Rose?
So, best wishes to Ate. Of course, good health and good career. And of course, happy birthday for Kuya and Tia. And of course, we wish you all the best in life. Have more good health and good career. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Wayne. This is Ronto.
Happy birthday, Momits. I know everything you have already. So all I have now is good health and more blessings, and of course shower us with your love. Okay, happy birthday, Momits.
Ate Mai?
Buhilak na ron. Ayaw hilak.
17 of friendship. 17 of friendship. Still we are strong. Sa iyakan. Kami sana mapanaiyakin. Wishing you all the best and a happy birthday.
Ate Ellie?
Parang happy ka ba?
Okay, next, Ate Amina.
Happy birthday, Manis. Wala ka hindi pa ako. Miss kami. Video na. Happy birthday.
Michelle. Adinita. So ever since that we came in 2012 until now, ever since lahat ng ito are one of the best. You are always na nilagay mo kami, lagi mo kami chinichir, ikaw yung nanay ng SGH. Hindi ko alam, I think it's not only the SGH, everyone kami. Kami sa aba. So happy birthday and we wish you all the best and thank you for everything. So we are so happy that we are here. Mula noong 2012 until now, you are still here. Never nag-change ang attitude mo. You are one of the best nanay among all of us. Happy birthday, Marimon.
And Dad? Very hard to love us. Actually, English na ba? We've been together for 12 years, correct? Okay. She's the best colleague, a friend of mine, of course, a friend of us. Okay? Isa ni siya sa kanang hindi ko itong bitaw. Kung hindi ko itong bitaw ka, just look at your group chat. Spanish friend, wala. But at the end of the month, you have to pay. Pero at least, ano ka tawag sa gutom? Yes. She's the type, so she's very accommodating. Hindi siya ang type na change your mood because she is overload, no? Sometimes ang good overload ka, change your mood. Sa kasi yung tanong na ko, no? Kani ba tinawag na nag-advise ka na ulit? Diba kung niya akong kumaman? Malala ko. Malala ko kaya. So si Inday, as Rochelle told, she never changed. Sa Lily, wala kina siya nagpasal. Okay? So iyang attitude, sa iyang pagka-smiling, mas hindi siya malakas sa hospital. Oh, yes, kasusunod mo, na siya ka. So, if you meet her, ako, tingnan naman siya na, ano nga, dahil na, hindi na siya, diba? Tapos, kapag sa kuya, hello! Mag-ibog, wala magbabalik, hindi na mabalik. Ano si kuya sa naka-close na namin. If usa sa family mo na close ang uban, something really is great sa inyong family. Okay? Something is great. Why you are able to share your love. Hindi ba lang yun? Gusto niya ka. Istorya mo lain. So, dili na din na tatay family. Balihan nila Jen, nila Jams, nila Kuan, pizza na dyan. Dili ba yan na din, no? Oy, Tagalog. Hindi, ano? Ay, anong mangyari? It's not easy sa, like, family sila. It's not easy that your family became a part of their family, or their family became a part of your family. Excuse me kayo sa akong husband kayo. Ito naman ako, dili mo nito. Bro siya, dili mo na po. So, in guys, we're going to work yan na. So, in guys, salamat kayo. Salamat po kayo, kuya. Sa inyong pagpangga kay Inday, kay murag ko ka na sa'yo. She deserves peace. At lahat tayo gusto natin peace. Love, mental health, drink water, clean water. This one is living. Di ba? Gusto natin sa itong life peaceful. Kuya. Kumanin nyo din, mamukas sila kamot. Kaya lahir ko na, ang aking ilang ng family is always an extended family. Ang mo kasama na naman ako. Asa sila. Tanang, hindi ba yan natin nga mo extend kasi ang family. Pila na ba yan natin yung Filipino? So, actually, ihapra ako dito yan. Kaya mag-wife mo ko. So, I mean, at least magod ko makaban ko sa ila.
Tropan ko to.
So, I mean, dili lang din ako emphasize as a mother, a Filipina, proud. Dili lang din, hindi siya sa Tagalog pa. Dili lang din na mag-extend na sa ating family, outside our family. Especially gamay na bayan. So, ay na mo pag-away-away. Wala natin naman anak niya. Sa tira na chismis, okay na. O magtawag ka sa partner ko yan. So, dili siya natin kung natin mag-emphasize ang family. Kaya ako mang gugulisun sa ito. Tungkol siguro sa situation. Hindi mang gugulo. Nagana mo pero ano na siya mo. Socialize na siya sa Inday. So, salamat po kay Inday sa pagpanggap niyo sa amo. Pabalikan mo sa fish bread. Pabalik ko. Salamat po sa Bico. Kung ano yung birthday, may talak ko.
Karen?
Happy birthday, Inday.